Welcome to my niche site case study. It's been a while. It's been 2 months since I've provided an update, or close to 2 months. Um, November 23rd was the last time I uploaded this video regarding spam updates. I had 407 articles, about 745,000 words. And yeah, I wanted to provide you some kind of update. Not really too much because of what happened with the link spam, and also what was I think it was another helpful content update. So many updates that was rolling out, but it took a very long time to roll out. SEO. This is a great site to kind of get your information for the day. Done rolling out January 12th. So yeah, helpful content link spam update. So nothing really happened except for what I've been doing. So kind of let's jump right in. 407 to 591 articles. I just got a whole bunch of articles being written. This one, I'm testing out a new strategy, so hopefully don't hate me just yet. But in this site, my main focus was to kind of test, right? But also it's for my Linkilo internal linking plugin, because there are some existing or potential customers that has well over 7,000 articles, 5,000 articles that has some issues with this. Anything that's under 2,000 seems to be working fine, but anything above that tends to kind of slow down quite a bit. So I want to have an article site where I do have more than 5,000 articles. So this project is really going to help me create a better product for Linkilo, but also a project that I'm testing a lot of the stuff, right? So if you haven't watched my video, or if you did watch my video, it's really about quality content, one image. I started to do internal linking and then write articles that help some sort of context, create that topical context. Not as I mean, it's not going to be an expertise topical, but it has at least two, maybe three of similar content that kind of helps each other. So that's kind of what I'm doing at the moment. So a lot of the articles are experimenting with a specific strategy, and some of the articles are helping existing article rank better, and things like that. So yeah, 597 to from 400. What was it? 407. So that's, can't do the math. 184 articles. So hopefully I get to do about 100 or 200 articles per month. I do have other projects that I'm working on, so there's a lot of time constraint here. I've been working on my WordPress theme, and then also now building a Amazon affiliate plugin, or product review plugin that works mainly for Amazon, but you can add multiple sites like Walmart and things like that. So hopefully that's that's in the work right now. So hopefully I get to launch that soon, so I could remove everyone else's plugins and then just use my plugins for all of my projects. So that's something that I've been working on. Yeah. So let's see. The On Google Analytics, I've been getting about 50, 40-ish um, per month. I did increase just 9% compared to previous 30 days. So the last 30 days versus previous 30 days. And then Bing is the one that's getting me the most traffic. Um, Google, just a little bit growth here, but not as much. And I'll show you that just a bit. And then, yeah, I really didn't do much with Bing. I just signed up, submitted my Google Search Console, and that's pretty much it. And that's where it's going. And then here's the Bing result. So we had a steady kind of growth. Hopefully, I get to see a little bit more here, but that's where it's going. Yeah, I started to publish around December, near end of December and January, so all the 184 articles should start to get indexed and to rank a little bit more and more, and so on. So this is the current one. Obviously, this is the big drop in October. We're seeing a little bit more growth compared to the previous. I haven't done really too much here, just really auditing my existing content to see if there's any plagiarism, if it's more unique. I showed you that in my previous video. But now it looks like, it's kind of starting to get better. So most of the pages are not really indexed, only a certain amount, but those certain amounts, I have confirmed that I've written several articles supporting those articles, so those are continuing to rank. So some of the articles that are ranking, those are pretty much getting good results, good sustainable results, good ongoing traffic. Not a lot, but there's steady growth to it, and then now we get to see just kind of a little bit more growth there. Discover currently not indexed. I guess everything has been completely removed from Discover currently not indexed and switched over to currently not indexed. So good or bad? I don't know. Some of the sites that I've owned, a lot of them don't have Discover currently not indexed. So I guess that's good versus in quality wise, but crawled currently not indexed is the main thing where it's not really getting indexed at the moment. But again, I guess the rollout did finish on January 12th. So I don't know, maybe they don't want to index a lot of the stuff out there, so that now it should start to index. But we'll see how that works, if it actually does or not. But this is pretty much it. 100 something, again, 184 articles been published. I'm gonna get to hopefully 700 soon. By next month, I should have at least 700 minimum. So we'll see how that goes. Again, this project, I guess the project's really just to make sure that my product, Linkilo, works on a high volume site. But again, I'm testing many things. Internal linking did help with the rankings. I have only one image at the moment. I changed the theme to my affiliate, my SEO rank theme. And I've created a video on how that works. And you could go into seorank.com to kind of get more information on what it is. Pretty much you don't need any other plugin besides the theme itself, and then maybe the Linkilo, and then the security plugin, and that's pretty much really it. Anything else do I have to kind of talk about? Yeah, we'll see how it goes now because it's January 16th. So, hope if I don't see any getting indexed, again, I have a lot of articles pending, and they should be being published every week. So, again, I'm trying to kind of stay within my area of content. So, a specific topic and try to maximize on that information. Um, and also, I'm sticking with one image per article. Um, Interlinking is still ongoing, and the SEO theme that I've built, I'm testing it to see if it actually indexes faster. Two of my sites that I've installed, two of my brand new site, or no, one brand new site and one existing site that didn't get indexed for at least 8 months. I've installed both of them, and then a lot of the articles are being indexed right away. This one, and then my other site that I have, it's getting indexed within the hour because it's a good site. But this case study, I'm still trying to figure out how long it's taking for my articles once it's published to get indexed. So I'm gonna try to record that and then provide that information along with the new theme that I've installed, my theme, my SEO rank SERP theme. So that's something that I'm kind of looking into. Again, topical authority is one that I'm focusing on, and really it boils down to a site where I'm going to be publishing 100 articles a month, or 100 to 200 articles a month, and then kind of see how many of that are being indexed, how many are not, and then kind of reevaluating every other month to kind of see what else do I need. I'm kind of constantly sticking to topical with writing about within the topical area. So hopefully that kind of helps with the vast amount of content that's being published. Or should I reduce the amount of content being published to maybe 5 a week and see how much of that is going to get indexed? So is that, am I publishing too much? Is it saying that I'm getting AI to generate my content, which I'm not? But is Google thinking that I'm writing too much content and it's taking a little bit longer to process, or not? So that's another test I'm running. And also rankability with my theme, and also do I build authority based on the amount of content that I have, which seems to be in my niche. There are some websites with over 7,000 articles that are ranking really, really well. So how much article do I need to write within my niche to become authoritative compared to everyone else? So I'm measuring my article output versus my competitors, where they are authoritative, they have similar content, but they have more content, right? So that's the next step. And then I'm not doing any internal linking or link building. So just how much of that link building do I need to do in order for this to be blowing up a little bit more? Obviously, John Mueller is talking about link. It's not going to be a lot of relevant as much as before. So that's going to take a lot in consideration. But linking is really mostly my primary focus on link building is to make sure that all these crawled but currently not indexed are being indexed. So that's going to be my tests here as well. So a lot of tests going on here, and hope you guys look into all of my previous video and follow up, catch up, ask any questions if you have certain concerns or ideas or things like that you want me to test. I like to test a lot of stuff and kind of get the sense of what works and what doesn't. But that doesn't mean that once it works, it will work for you type of thing. It really is case by case based on niche and industries and things like that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know, and have a good one.